Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you about hash set, tree set, and in tree set there is default natural ordering of the elements. So in tree set sorting takes place, so I will tell you that part also. Let's start from hash set. So hash set, I told you that it contains unique elements and it does not preserve the order. Hash set does not maintain the insertion order. Like in array list there is insertion order, means as we add the elements in the order we will get the same order, but in hash set we can get the elements in any order. Okay, let's create the hash set object. I am creating set, which is interface of type string. Set object would be hash set, new hash set. Its type would be also string. So I have created the hash set object as set. Then I will add the elements. Dot add method is there. So there is add method in hash set. I will call add method, and inside that I will put the string object. So let's put the string as Vinay. Let's change these values. Second one, let's say Yugal, let's say Manoj. Okay, so friends, I have added the three elements as string type Vinay, Yugal, Manoj in hash set. Let's add another one as duplicate. So again I have added the duplicate element as Vinay, and then I am iterating hash set. So I told you in my previous video that there are three ways for iterating hash set. Let's do it for any one method. Using for loop I am iterating for, then parenthesis, then my hash set is of string type, so I will put here as string, and the elements put any variable here. Then colon, then on the right hand side the elements I have added in hash set object. So this is also, friends, the name is same, so let's change the name here. Okay, so after colon my hash set object is there, so one by one my for loop will iterate it, and it will give all the elements to hash set. On the left hand side, this I will get the elements from hash set variable. So let's print SYSO control space. So I will get all the elements. I have printed using system.out.println. Let's run this application also. test application is Java application. See what I get. First of all, I told you in the previous video that hash set does not contain the duplicate elements. So there were 3 elements, and after that I added duplicate as Vinay. So total are 4, but I got only 3. Why, friends? Because hash set internally uses hash map, which I also told you in the video, that it checks whether the element is added in the hash map or not. So that's why internally it checks for the duplicate element, so it does not print Vinay 2 times. It printed only 1 time. So, and see, the order is also random. The order is not as in array list we get. See, first I add Vinay, then Yugal, then Manoj. So while iterating hash set, I should get in the same form as Vinay, Yugal, Manoj, but it is getting random order. So got it? So hash set does not preserve the order. It does not maintain the insertion order, whereas array list maintains. I can show you also practically that list maintains the insertion order. Let's create the list here. I have created the array list. List is of interface and array list is the class. So I have created the array list class object using new operator, and the type is string. So I will put the string elements here in the list. So list dot add method is also in the array list. So I will put the string argument. Let's add Vinay, Yugal, Manoj. Let's iterate the list. So we can iterate with any method. Simple is for loop method. In for loop, after parenthesis I will put here the type of list, which is after colon I will put here the list object in which my elements are stored, and one by one I will put here the variable in which list elements will be stored. Suppose list1 syso control space system.out.println, and I have printed the elements, means I have printed the list1 variable which is string type. Let's comment this for a while. Control shift /. Now run the application, test application, which is Java application. See, it maintains the insertion order. In the array list I have added first Vinay, then Yugal, then Manoj, and in the same way I will get Vinay, Yugal, Manoj. So the order is same as I have inserted in the list. Okay, so array list maintains the order whereas hash set does not maintain the order. Array list contain duplicate elements, but hash set does not contain duplicate elements. Okay, let's move on. Tree set. So what is tree set, friends? Tree set is also a collection. It is a class which implements set interface, and it uses a tree for storage. So tree set uses tree for storage of the elements. It uses a binary search tree. Internally, binary search tree is there for the storage of elements. But in tree set, elements get sorted in default natural sorting order. Means default order is ascending order. Ascending means smallest would be the first and largest would be the last one. So in ascending order we will get the elements. Let's create the tree set also. Let's comment this for let's create tree set also. Tree set now tree set object. Type I have kept as a string. Let's import this java.util.package. Tree set is a class under util package. The same way as hash set was add method, then tree set has also add method. So tree set dot add. Let's put here string object as one. TWO2 okay. So let's iterate the tree set also the same way as we were iterating in the hash set collection also. Here the type is string, so string, then variable, string variable. Let's see, tree colon, and then tree set object is then I will print using system.out.println. Let's run this application. See friends, I added in the tree set object as 1 in the form of a string, O in the uppercase letter, 1, 2, T is the uppercase letter, and 3, T is the uppercase letter. So string 1, string 2, string 3 I have added in the tree set object. Now after iterating it, I am getting first 1, then 3, then 2. So how this happens friends? Actually tree set internally there is a binary search tree and sorting takes place using compare method. Sorting takes place and the string are compared one by one in the and the default natural sorting order is ascending. So ascending means ONE1. O letter has ASCII value less than T letter ASCII value. So when two string will compare with 1 and 2, then O is smaller than 2, then it will compare, then O will come, 1 will come in the first, then 2 is compared with 3, okay, 1 is compared to 2 and 1 is compared to 3 also. When 1 is compared to all the remaining elements, then in the 1 O has ASCII value less than T. That is why one string is coming on the first, and in the 2, when 2 is compared with 3, then T and T are equal, so ASCII value is same. But when W and H are compared, then W has greater ASCII value than H. That is why 3 is coming on the second and 2 is on the last. So friends, in the same way, default natural sorting order takes place in the tree set collection. So internally it uses a binary search tree to compare the elements, whether it is of string type, integer type, but I am keeping it as string. Thanks for watching the video. So this I gave you as practical exam, and I will give you comparable and comparator practical example also in my next video. So please watch. Thank you for watching.